This Friday the 13th, Malice Manor is bringing us Horror Night. For this special event, they're bringing your favorite classic horror slasher-themed movies to life. And we're taking you inside with us to see if we can make it all the way through without becoming their next victim. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get some scares.
There's alarms going off.
Like a deep, dark pit, and it's filled with people who are filled with shit. And the vermin of the world, they live in it. Come, sit.
Oh, and the stained couch we can't get out of.
I'm stuck here.
This couch swallows people.
Now some pleasantries before you are chopped up and wrapped in pastry. Lord Rancor has absconded once again in search of artifacts. I offered him a shave, you know, but we found the blade too sharp on the scales. I could give you a shave, though.
I just gave myself one.
No, you need a closer shave. The closest shave you got received, the closest shave I've ever gave. What do you say? On the house. I can pen you in.
On the house.
Now,
yeah.
your favorite icons are here this evening to give you some relief. That relief, of course, being the sweet relief of death. Because we all deserve it.
Seems really excited about that.
Through the fire and the flames you go. Miss Lovett does like her pies fully burnt to a crisp, so
Love it?
a couple suckers around inside.
Okay. Rotate.
Rotate to your
We gotta burn the buns.
Gotta rotate. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ, there's something down there.
Oh no. Oh no.
Tammy, look out.
Oh no. I think it's.
Oh my God.
It's.
What
is
is
that
down
Samara?
there? Is it Samara? Oh, Jesus.
Oh, she's growling at us.
There's a thing on the floor still. Oh.
Oh.
Up. What?
What's she saying?
I don't know, but she's got an eye.
That can't be
A
good.
creepy eye. Thank you. 7 days.
7 days. Oh, yep.
What happened in
Yep.
7 days?
We watched the tape.
Oh, shit balls.
Oh,
What the heck was that?
It's a freaking nurse.
Oh no. Oh, Silent. Oh no. Silent Hill nurse.
We gotta be really slow
Oh, yeah.
or they'll
And
cut
quiet.
us.
And quiet.
Just tiptoe, they won't hear us.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
Just tiptoe.
I'm tiptoeing, Tilly. Tiptoeing. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Tiptoeing.
Oh, no.
See?
Damn.
We gotta go. See, she's
Tammy,
distracted.
come on.
She's distracted.
Tammy!
Oh no.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh no.
It's behind you.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, she's still coming. She's still coming. She's still coming. They're going right after Tammy.
They are. Oh my gosh.
Come on, Tammy.
He held against my will.
Oh. That's a creepy freaking song.
They seem excited we're here.
They
Yeah,
are
very
really excited.
excited.
Yeah.
Until she shanks your. Oh! Yes, I do.
We only
I'm
play with
gonna
the good guys.
Play with the bear, not that.
Children being that size and crazy, it's fine.
Didn't mean to burn them. I just wanted to be a part of my class. I wanted to get along, but they all laughed at me.
Oh, she's Carrie.
Work on that mind control a little bit.
Yep.
It's the wind tunnel. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Oh crap.
Oh no. That's not good. You're gonna want to get that off.
I wish I could help you, but I
doesn't end
don't
well.
know how to get that off. Yeah. What the frick is that? Did you see that? Oh, what is that? I don't like that at all. Oh no. Yeah!
It shocked me.
It shocked you? Oh shit. Oh God. Oh
You're
God.
not supposed to feel your way through with your
I can't
boob.
see when you do that.
Stop the
Oh!
first
Ew! What?
Outside.
Oh, what is that? It's a creepy nun.
It's the what one?
It was a creepy nun.
Creepy nun.
I think it was a nun. I don't know.
Wonderful. Yeah. It's a terror nightmare. I thought something just touched me.
It did.
It did.
It
Okay,
did.
cool.
It did.
Where's this music from? That's a mad plant. Oh, hi there. Oh, no. I don't trust you at all. Yeah. Whose blood is that?
Oh.
Hmm? Oh.
She likes Tammy. She likes Tammy.
Oh, the Clown Cafe. Terrifier. Oh no! It's art!
Oh my. That's not
Oh,
good.
and he has a.
Oh, he's got a machete. Why does Art have a machete?
Oh, God. What is he doing?
He's gonna machete you.
Oh. Okay.
He squeaked her.
Yeah. Are we dancing to death here? Tammy, look out! Can I get a squeaky? Oh my goodness! Aw!
Oh, they made friends.
But I've always wanted.
Yep.
To be friends with a serial killer? Oh my God!
Oh no! Oh gosh! Oh gosh!
You got swapped to behind.
Oh shoot!
Oh,
Okay,
going this way.
I'm going this way.
Going this way. That's why we don't trust it. Oh gosh.
Oh my goodness! Hello.
I barely hurt you.
Huh?
I'm so glad you
That's not good.
apologize. Consumption tends to come and go.
Yeah.
Okay.
However, I do think your group could help me out quite a bit.
No.
Well, I just...
No.
If you could,
Easy.
if you
Pop
could,
into your shoulder.
if you could follow...
She is. Oh, no, don't drink.
Oh,
don't
honey,
drink
don't do that.
That's why you have consumption.
That's much better.
Oh no.
Now, as I was saying, a useful group like yours could help me out quite a bit. All I need is just one little thing.
What's the one little thing?
It could be from you or from you.
Tammy.
Tammy might have a little thing. Oh. I think she took your hair.
She did take my hair.
Oh, she broke it. Oh.
Oh no!
I mean, I'm gonna die tonight.
Well, for your own sake, I would hope that your legs are quite quick and spry. I'm not sure how fast.
Yeah, that means go faster. That means go faster. Oh.
Oh, good God! Wow!
Oh.
That's a tall Michael!
Holy heck.
That's a really tall Michael. He's even taller than you, Trey!
Oh gosh.
Holy crap!
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no! I'd rather go back to Michael.
Oh, Spidey's. Oh,
I hate
Spidey's.
the Spideys. Stop it!
Oh, it's a jumping Spidey's. Oh gosh.
It's so gross, so gross, so gross, so gross. Spiders! Stop it! Oh. Ew. See, they put him so
for that
close
one.
to you. Stop it!
Oh, did I get you, Nora?
You and the spiders both.
Oh, really? This thing?
Yes, that thing. Yeah, it's not beautiful.
Very.
Nope. I'm too bad I'm awake. You can't hurt us.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I don't believe in that.
Well. That's a really big.
That's a large one.
That's
a
all
big
there.
one.
Crap. Who's next?
That's what she said.
You got to comment below. Who's next?
Oh my! Yeah.
Yes.
I thought we were safe in the freezer.
That thing
You're
just
supposed to be in the boiler.
followed me. Ew! I just grabbed the meat curtains.
We got meat curtains all over us right now.
Jason, hear it?
Oh.
I hear it. Did you hear it? Yeah.
Oh no.
Take bets. Is it Jason? Yeah, Friday the 13th. Jason!
Where you at, Mama's boy?
Maybe he's over there somewhere and we're.
Wanna go for a swim, Jason?
Oh my God. Oh, that's not Jason!
It's not Jason.
Oh my God.
Definitely not Jason.
Ooh, look at their eyes!
Oh man.
The eyes!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Right?
Nope. Go
Tammy
this way.
said she loves you.
Tammy. Trey. Oh, he got hooked. I seen it.
We all got hooked. Oh hell. Hi, Sushi.
It's a sushi.
Nice shark. All right. I don't trust it. Coming
He didn't
back.
make it.
Ah! It's Freddy.
Yeah, we're still leaving.
Out in the ocean.
We fell asleep again.
Oh, he came back for try.
Okay, we'll be there in a minute.
Oh, it makes sense he'd be at the bartending here.
Why, yes. I don't know if I trust a bartender that can't drink.
Right?
Yes, I don't see a straw in sight. How do you do that?
Camera. Oh my. I don't trust him. Don't trust him.
How fast? Maybe
I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. Could be bodily fluids.
Yeah, yeah. Very true.
Oh, they're in the car. It just fell. Hold on. He didn't make it. He's stuck under the car.
I lied. This is the scariest thing yet.
This is it.
We still haven't found Jason.
Still haven't found
You think he's in here?
We got one more chance to make it out.
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
What the hell was that?
Lightning.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, there he is. We found him.
There he is.
Oh, my.
We found him.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Hi, Mama's boy.
Oh, no.
Hi. Oh, he's mean. Okay. Look out, Tammy.
Go for a swim? No, we're going to pass on the swim.
On the what?
We're going to pass on going swimming.
We'll go swim. No. We don't want to go for a swim.
That was fun.
Yes, it was.